double-decker puppies.
The back seat. Yeah, because I clean my car. It's all nice and pretty now. Benny, hold on, I need to get it.
So rough. Oh, what the heck? Why are you doing this to me? You eating that, Bluey? You cannibal. You little cannibal puppy. Smells like a hotel in here. Sounds like the shoes rattling around in there. The color held. That looks so dope. It's like a lilac purple. They started out as white, and I dyed them a couple years ago pink, and now they're purple. That's sick. This, the hoodie, and the shoes are my favorite part. Oh yeah, I didn't think the Dye More would work on the clothes, but it came out decent. It came out okay. So yeah, solid B. Most of the shirts started out pretty like pastel, and it came out, I don't know, like kind of stone, like very grungy looking. I don't know, I like it. It looks cool. You can still see the yellow in the hoodie, and like this used to be like baby blue, and now it just looks like gray, like kind of blue. Like, again, like stone or something. Everything kind of turned like gray or purplish, but at least now I'll wear it, you know. So it works out. I was looking over the nutrition facts last night, and I found out that Yoplait has gelatin in it. And if you guys don't know, gelatin is made from like processed bones and animal fats and all that. Like, it's gross. So if you guys are vegetarian, vegan, stay. Obviously, if you're vegan, you'd stay away. But if you're vegetarian, stay away from Yoplait. Yeah, I'm grossed out now, and I'm gonna be a little bit more diligent about reading the nutrition facts from now on. I've been veggie for like 3 years, but that just grossed me out, man. Like, I don't know. Anyway, little PSA for y'all.